Hi guys, thanks for joining me for another unbox. Today we have another LawMate product. This time it's the RC200 key fob DVR. So we're going to go ahead, open the box, and then I'll get you to join me on the other side. I'll show you where the memory card goes, and then we'll go do some test footage with it. So inside the box we have our little RC200 fake car immobilizer. We have our instruction booklet. We also have our micro USB charging cable, along with, and only exclusive to, the spystore.com.au, our included 16 gig micro SD card. The unit itself does shoot in full HD. It has fantastic audio. It even has a vibration feature where when you press the record button, it actually vibrates in your hand to let you know that you've started and stopped recording and or turned it on. So that's pretty cool. What I'll get you guys to do now is join me on the other side, and I'll show you where the memory card goes and how to get it all up and running and working. Alright guys, so here we are with the PV-RC200. So it looks just like a normal car immobilizer. The actual lens is located just there. So it shoots in full HD at 30 frames. You've got fantastic audio on this little guy as well. To get to the memory card and everything, what you want to do is you want to stick your finger in the ring pull in the back, use your knuckle to rotate the top of it off, and it just sort of pops out. The first couple of times you do it, it will be quite difficult, but just remember to get your finger in there like that and use your knuckle to rotate it off. Inside of here we've got a couple of switches. One of them on the left hand side here is for the vibration, so that turns the vibration feedback on and off, and the one on the other side changes your resolution. At the moment we've got it set on full HD, so it's going to look as good as it can. We then want to go ahead and grab our micro SD memory card, and we want to insert it into the little micro SD card slot. So as you can see, it's on a bit of an angle, so you've got to go in on a bit of an angle, just like that, with the words facing towards the buttons, and then just push it down until it clicks into place. It's pretty simple. You can then go ahead and reinstall the cover. Now to activate the unit, you press the lock button for about a second and then release it. The unit will then vibrate like it just did, and then if I want to start recording, I press the lock button again, it vibrates again to let me know I've started recording, and away we go. So nice handy little unit, easy to use. To stop recording, again it's the same button, so lock button again, press it once, it'll stop recording. If I want to take a photo, I can press the boot button and that'll take a photo, and it vibrates every time it does that as well, so we'll just take another photo. There we go. So when you want to turn it off, all you do is you press the unlock button for about a second, so you just press it once, release, vibrates almost instantaneously, and then it's off. So now you can go ahead, again, use your knuckle to rotate that cap off, and then go ahead and remove your memory card, plug it into your computer, and download the footage. If you do need to alter the date and time, I'll show you how to do that in just a sec. You need to have a Windows-based computer, and you do need to create a text file. But I'll go through each and every step of that on the way. So stay tuned guys, I'll show you how to do that, and then join us on the next video and I'll show you what exactly this little guy can do. Alright guys, so here we are with the LawMate text file that we need to create to alter the time and date. So if you're in a state other than WA, you'll probably need to alter this when it gets to you. So all you want to do is you want to right click new, and then we want to create text document, and we want to create a text document called set time, all one word, all lowercase. Make sure your micro SD card's the one inserted into the computer when you're doing all this, because otherwise it'll be null and void. We then want to double click on set time, and we want to put in the date by year, month, and then the day with little decimal points in between. We then want to leave a space, and we want to enter the time, 11:39 and an amount of seconds. And we want to make sure that we click file and then save. And then we want to click file and exit. If we just close it, it won't save it, so you want to go through that process. We then eject it, and we're good to go. And that's how you create the time file on the units. If you have any further questions, please give us a call on 0864543871, or send us an email, support@thespystore.com.au. Don't forget to check out our website too if you want to purchase any of these products, www.thespystore.com.au. Thanks for joining me, and we'll see you on the next one.